Hi, I'm Dr. Holbert, your orthodontist here at Holbert Family Orthodontics. I hope you're excited to start your Invisalign smile journey. Today, we're going to talk about what to expect during Invisalign treatment. If you have any questions or concerns during your treatment, don't hesitate to ask.
Your custom aligners have arrived at our office. Now what? In order to get the results you want, it's important to wear your aligners exactly as instructed. If you don't, your treatment time may be extended and you could compromise your chance of getting a perfectly aligned smile. Here are some of our best tips to ensure a successful treatment experience. You'll need to wear your aligners for 20 to 22 hours a day. Only take them out to clean them, to eat, and to brush your teeth. Your Invisalign is made just for you. Your aligners are custom fit to your smile and move gradually to precisely align your teeth. You'll need to swap out to new aligners every 7 days. Your aligners are numbered, so it's easy to know which set to switch to next. As you adjust to wearing your aligners, you may feel some discomfort. Over-the-counter pain medication can help, and the pain should go away in a couple of days. At first, your teeth may also feel slightly mobile when you're not wearing your aligners, which is normal. Avoid bad breath and plaque buildup by keeping your aligners clean. Clean your Invisalign with a toothbrush and toothpaste after every meal. Make sure to rinse off your aligners before putting them back in your mouth. Invisalign aligners are made out of clear, smooth, and flexible Smart Track material that is comfortable and virtually invisible. Dr. Holbert plans out the exact movements of your teeth, and your smile will slowly move throughout your treatment. An important part of your treatment is attachments and elastics. Attachments are small, tooth-colored dots that exert extra force and help strategically straighten your smile. During your treatment, Dr. Holbert may recommend attachments or elastics for more precise tooth movement. If your attachments, elastics, or any part of your aligners break, come see us as soon as possible to get back on track. Dr. Holbert may recommend more than one series of aligners during your treatment. This is normal and an important part of getting the results you want. In order to make your new set of aligners, you'll need to get new scans. We recommend using the My Invisalign app to help make treatment fun. With the app, you can receive reminders about changing your aligners, track your daily wear, find answers to questions, and stay motivated. You can download the app on the Google Play or Apple Store. Now, on to our favorite part, the results. At the end of your treatment, you'll have a beautiful, healthy, and straight smile that, when properly cared for, you can carry with you for a lifetime. Dr. Holbert and our team are looking forward to helping you get your dream smile. For more on Invisalign, or if you have any questions, visit www.holbertbraces.com. You can also call our Richmond office at 804-270-7824 and our New Kent office at 804-966-3030.